Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I make a very interesting logo, so stay tuned. Now increase its PG, much bigger in size needed. Now align it with horizontal align center and vertical align center. Now right click and create outline and right click and ungroup. Go to ellipse tool and color its size and swap fill and stroke and shift X for change into stroke. Now click it, drop it, Control G, and now simply select it with shift and mouse to multiple select it and then align it with horizontal align center and vertical align center. Now increase its speed. I think it's enough. Now this. I'm going to take this right click and ungroup. Take the direct selection tool and click it simply and done. Again, simply. If you can't understand, then you can again watch my video and then get started. Now take this and again it with only mouse drag. Click it and drag it with mouse. Now simply hold the mouse and drag it and select it. Okay, now इसके बाद I am going to take this pathfinder tool and okay. I think I'm going to expand करना है now. Go to object menu and expand it. Okay, and then select. Oh, hold the mouse and drag the mouse and release it and minus. Okay, divide it. Okay, divide it. Now click and right click and ungroup. Now remove the unnecessary parts. And now let's get to work then. Select it with shift to outer corners and go to object menu, path, offset path, and take 28 pg. Okay. Then all selected with hold the mouse and drag the mouse and minus front alt and click. Now if you हो चुका है then again object path offset path. Okay, I think मुझे लगता है ये expand नहीं हुआ. Okay, again divide it. Okay, and now remove the unnecessary part with go to right click and ungroup and delete it. Delete it. Delete it. Delete it. Delete it. Now it's R and It's K. Okay, it's very minimal. Now select it with shift and unite it. Again, now I like. All right. I understand. What do I do? Is that take ungroup and take this shape builder tool and shift and done. Now again it with shift and mouse and unite it. Now it's easy, okay? It's easy. Now take this all unnecessary parts and remove it. Now already I have some very interesting. So let's make an arrow. Very, very interesting. Now take this ellipse rectangle tool. Now cut it with Pathfinder. Ungroup it and then now again select it with shift and minus root. Now adjust the position of arrow. Control G for group. Now change the size according to your choice. Okay. Now let's finish this. Shift and unite it. Again, adjust the positions. Adjust the positions and done. Take the shape builder tool and remove the unnecessary parts with Alter to minus it and Shift for plus it. Okay, I think it's done. Now, all done. Hold mouse and unite it. Change the color. Obviously, you can use this blue color as well. You can change this as now done. Thank you guys for watching. Now like, subscribe and share my videos and hit the bell icon to receive important updates to you.